What am I gonna have for breakfast? Let's see. Cinnamon Toast Crunch, no. Quaker, no. Oh! Pop-Tarts! Awesome! Let's have Pop-Tarts. Let's see. Which beverage goes great with Pop-Tarts? Milk. Yes. Let's see. What? 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 That's not enough milk. There is no way I'm going to be able to enjoy my Pop-Tart with this much milk. That's not even, that's like a swallow. What you just saw was probably one of the most annoying things for me. Going to the refrigerator, grabbing some milk, and realizing you have probably about half a glass or less. And it's just kind of really annoying because, I mean, we've got a full gallon in there, but I don't want to open up another gallon after finishing off this gallon, you know, like, I don't know, I'm lazy. But normally it's me who finishes off the, milk because somebody, waits until somebody else cleans up. Okay, if you're one of those people, who, fills up their milk, fills up the glass of milk or fills up their cereal until there's just a little bit left in the gallon, okay, you know what, just finish it off, please. Okay, save me and whoever else the annoyance of finishing off that gallon. I don't know. It just gets on my nerves for some reason. It's like, I don't know. But, yeah, just do that favor, okay? You're not helping anybody by leaving just a little bit of milk in there, Just finish it off. It's common courtesy. I'm gonna go enjoy my Pop-Tart and half a glass of milk now. Bye.